I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have Git installed and configured. Now start. First, open your terminal and CD into the project directory. Run Git init to create a repository, then Git status to see untracked files. Stage specific files with Git add file name or all with Git add. Commit with Git commit m, initial commit. This establishes history locally. Once done, verify with Git log to confirm your commit exists and you're ready to connect to a remote. Next, link your local repo to GitHub. On GitHub, create a new repository and copy the HTTPS or SSH URL. In terminal, run git remote add origin URL. If your branch is master or main, rename or set the upstream, git branch m main. Then push with git push u origin main to send commits and set tracking. If authentication prompts appear, use your PAT for HTTPS, or finally work with branches and complete changes. Create a feature branch with git checkout bfeature/name, make changes, git add and commit. Push the branch. Git push u origin feature/name and open a pull request on GitHub for review. Once approved, merge locally or via GitHub, then git checkout main and git pull to update. If merge conflicts occur, resolve conflicting files, git add them and commit. If push fails, pull first, rebase or merge, then push again to synchronize histories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.